Have you ever became popular at school by just sneezing? So it's third period. I'm half asleep in the back row of biology, trying not to drool on my notes. When I feel it, this massive sneeze building up. You know the kind. The world-ending, soul-cleansing kind that starts in your spine. I try to hold it in. I really do, but I fail. I sneeze so hard, I knock my own pencil case off the desk. It echoes like a shotgun blast in a dead silent classroom. Everyone freezes. My teacher flinches and goes, "Bless you?" like she's not sure if I sneezed or summoned something. Before I can recover, the kid next to me whispers, "Yo, that was powerful." Then someone claps. Then another. Suddenly, the whole class is applauding my sneeze. I think it's over. It's not. Because the school intercom glitches at that exact moment and echoes my sneeze across the building like some ancient prophecy. It sounds like a dragon coughing. Later in gym, a freshman points at me and says, "That's the sneeze guy." I go viral on the school group chat. Someone auto-tunes my sneeze into a remix and uploads it as blessed.mp3. Another kid turns me into a meme with the caption, "Allergy? Nah, power." Next day, a group of juniors fist bump me in the hallway and call me the Breeze. The principal pulls me aside and deadpan says, "No more sneezing without warning." And now, whenever someone sneezes at school, people just shake their heads and go, "He's no Breeze." I sneezed once, I became a legend, and I haven't had allergies